uh, we hope that we are working towards hydrogen fuel. That is the priority that the government of India has put down. We want to work on have a great. We are one of the few countries in the world which is working towards hydrogen as a fuel and production of hydrogen as a fuel to our resources. Our advantage is that the type of push solar energy has got in India, which uh, helps in producing cheap energy so that you can get hydrogen fuel. You can break the water component into hydrogen and oxygen. For that, you require energy, and that energy is available cheaply in India. India is the only country in the world where you have the solar price below 2 rupees. What is 2 rupees if 73 rupees is the price of a dollar? So you can imagine that the cost at which so very positive that very soon, coming 2 3 years, we should be graduating towards hydrogen fuel. Now, in the interim, and as a electric vehicles are a big advantage. You don't have to travel too much. You don't have to, you don't require charging uh, uh, immediately en route. You you have a large transport fleet available. So in cities and nearby cities and the satellite cities, the electrical vehicles work out pretty well. But where the longer distance is concerned, the CNG, the LPG, and such alternatives presently, till we start getting the hydrogen fuel, are still very attractive because the price comes down, the pollution goes down. So that is a big advantage. And we need to slowly phase out the petrol uh, vehicles out by using more and more of ethanol as additional to petrol. Government is giving a lot of push to ethanol. So that also makes the vehicle less polluting. Brazil is a country which has been using ethanol for quite some time. They also have E100 vehicle totally running on ethanol. And actually, when you want to convert your vehicle into ethanol petrol mixed fuel, the change does not take too much. But the vehicle manufacturers, of course, must come up and not look at profits. The kits are very cheap; they're not very costly. You have these lobbies will carry on working. The vehicle manufacturers lobbies, which think that there's more profit available in the older technology. A time is coming when electric vehicles are going to become very frequent. The openness for us to start using electrical vehicles. There are it has got less parts, it is lighter, and more the demand of electrical vehicles, the price of electrical vehicles will go down. That is the basic understanding. We are working on electrical vehicles in India. We are ensuring that they get due promotion in producing vehicles which are cheaper and you don't have to import the batteries required for such vehicles, except for the little part of lithium that I have told you. As our own things, our own scientists who are working on many other options, they come, you will find that there will be in coming years, there'll be many more vehicles that will get manufactured using electricity as a source of power and with rechargeable batteries, which can be charged at home or it can be charged at charging stations. so that it becomes easier for you. So I personally feel that it is the world in India, or the scenario in India that is coming about, is going to come into an ecosystem where you will have electrical vehicles, you will have people working on hydrogen fuel, which is the ultimate that we want to go to, and hopefully will be one of the few countries which will take a leap in that direction.